Hey, what's up, guys? Mikey AI here, and this is a really cool social media factory that I am putting for free when you subscribe. So, subscribe to my channel, you'll get access to this for free in a Google Drive. There's a special link in a video for subscribers only when you subscribe. You can download this, and you really only have to do a couple things to get it working. You just got to hook up a couple things here in order to get it working, as far as just plugging in your information, setting up your credentials. Then once you set up your credentials, which most of these n8n workflows aren't as simple as just setting up credentials and then watching it run, but this one really is. And then what it will do is it will create a link for you like this, which then you can easily put in your information. You can have an outsourcer put in information. You can just, it's super easy. Somebody doesn't even have to be inside n8n for this to work. And then once you put in just whatever it is that you want to have social media content generated about, it will automatically run. I'm just going to hit test to kind of show you for now. What it will do is it'll go through and start basically creating the concepts of what it is that you want to talk about for each individual platform. And then it actually will come over here in a second, and it will send you, this is what I think is the coolest part, is it'll send you an approval email right here that will then ask you if you want to approve what is going on with the content. And then it will actually wait for that. So until that is approved, and then I'll show you the email here once it gets sent, it goes down into these next steps and progressions, and then actually creates and then publishes the content. You can have a final approval for publishing going out there if you wanted to. But it's going to go and create an email, then send me the email, and I will approve it. So let's go check that email. So this is the email that it sends over, and it gives you the idea for each one of the platforms that you are wanting to generate content for. And then you just simply go down here, which is really cool, and hit approve. And then that's going to automatically move that on along in the workflow, as you can see here, which is pretty amazing. So subscribe. This is going to be in my Google Drive. You can download this immediately. And what's great, again, is you don't have to really do a ton to get it working. You just got to connect. So I changed this to Google Drive instead of what it was. I had a couple different other options in there if you don't want to use an API, and if you just want to use Google Drive, that's what I think is better. And then it will go through here, and then it does a couple things. I don't have all of my socials hooked up there yet, and then if there is any issues, it will pause. But download, check it out, and then I'll send you some more information about how you can work it and get it running. This is a fully automated social media content factory that turns one idea into perfectly crafted posts for every platform you care about. Here's how it works. You drop your idea into a simple chat interface. No formatting, no templates, just type. The workflow takes over from there. Step 1, it generates platform-specific content using AI. That means your Twitter post sounds like Twitter, your LinkedIn post sounds like LinkedIn, and your YouTube short script totally optimized for attention. Step 2, it creates all the visuals automatically. No Photoshop, no Canva, just great looking graphics made for each platform. Step 3, the content goes straight to your inbox for approval. Want to tweak it? You can. Want to publish as is? One click, and it goes live across all your connected accounts. It even remembers what kind of content you've posted before, so it gets smarter the more you use it. And here's the kicker. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to install anything weird. If you can connect your social accounts and open an email, you're good to go. Setup takes maybe 30 minutes. After that, you're running a publishing machine. Want to customize it? No problem. Change the brand voice, add more platforms, connect it to your content calendar or CRM. This thing plays nice with your stack. Look, this workflow saves hours. It removes the guesswork, and it keeps your content consistent, polished, and ready to scale. So here's what to do next. Subscribe to the channel right now. then head over to the channel page. There's a subscribers only video with the link to download this entire workflow, plus hundreds more for free. Everything's in a Google Drive folder. Just watch the video, grab the link, and you're in. No fluff, no gimmicks, just plug and play automation that actually works. So go ahead, hit subscribe, start publishing smarter, faster, and without all the burnout. I'll see you on the inside.